If you have Nikon Z6, Z6 II, Z7, Z50, Sony A7, A7 II, A7 III, or any other camera which does not have a flip out screen, then this video is gonna be very useful for you. So I have a really nice solution for you if you want to vlog or make YouTube videos with such a camera which does not have a flip out screen. As you can see, I have Nikon Z6 in my hand, and this camera features a tilting screen. Of course, if you have a tilting screen, you cannot see yourself in the frame if you want to shoot your own video. However, there are some options, like you can use Nikon SnapBridge app, or you can use an external monitor. The problem with using the SnapBridge is that the connectivity is not always so good. Sometimes the phone disconnects and then you have to pair it again and again, and it takes a while to set it up. The app is not that smooth in my opinion. And the second option, to use an external monitor, is a good option, but it will cost you some money. But I have a really nice and very cheap and practical solution for you. As you can see, I have a selfie vlogging mirror. This is a very tiny accessories that I bought for roughly around $10. So it's so cheap, but the kind of work that it does is amazing. So you can actually attach this to your camera hot shoe like this and tighten it. And since this features a mirror inside it at a 45-degree angle, so you would be able to see each and everything that is shown in your screen. So then it would be very easy for you to vlog or record a YouTube video. I'm gonna give you a live demo how this works. So I'm gonna switch on the camera, and as you can see, everything that is visible on this screen can be seen through this mirror over here. So now if I'm gonna vlog, I can very easily see myself in the frame. I can see if my face is in focus. I can also see if the recording has already started or not. I can see all the settings and everything. However, there is one drawback. So everything you will see would be a mirror image of what you see. But it is still very handy to see if your face is in focus, if the recording has already started or not, and what does the framing look like. And it is very tiny. At the same time, it also has 3 connections over here where you can attach maybe a microphone and maybe some extra lights or some other accessories. To be honest, I have also used SnapBridge, this option, and also an external recorder, but I prefer this one because this is so fast to use. You don't have to rely on pairing it up or connecting any cable. You just have to attach it and then you are ready to go. In my opinion, this is the cheap and best solution that you can have for any camera with such kind of screen. So if you have any Sony, Nikon or Canon camera with tilting screen, you can definitely go for this device. So it was a really short video, guys. I hope you liked it. And if you want to order this, I'm gonna put the link over here in description. Let me know what are your thoughts about this device. Do you think it is gonna be useful? If so, please comment over here, and I will see you in a new video.